Hi, I'm Braden Cooper, Product Marketing Manager with One Stop Systems, here today at the AFCEA West show in San Diego. We're showcasing a few of our new products today that I'll walk you through in our booth show. The first product here is to show you our Rigel Edge supercomputer. Rigel takes the latest in enterprise GPU technology, specifically the HGX A100 4GPU backplane from NVIDIA, and puts it in a small form factor rugged enclosure optimized for military environments. We're demonstrating this at AFCEA because we believe this product is great for aerospace applications, terrestrial applications that need very high levels of compute performance in rugged vehicles. It's military qualified, mil standard qualified, and has PCI Express expansion slots for you to use other add-in cards such as FPGAs or storage devices to make it an all-in-one converged supercomputer at the edge. The Rigel platform as we have it today is an air-cooled platform designed to support temperatures of up to around 30 degrees Celsius at full performance, which is a 2.5 kilowatt heat load. When you start bringing this application into higher ambient temperatures, say 50 C, you can limit the power of the GPUs using internal commands, which limits not only the input power of the system, but extends that operating ambient temperature you can run the system at while maintaining really significant or full performance. When you go beyond the 50 C ambient temperature profile, that's going to lead us into the next product that we'll be showcasing, which is immersion cooling. And now we're looking at what we would do to our Rigel platform in order to bring it to even more extreme environments. When you start looking at ambient temperatures beyond 50 C, maybe you're looking at 60 C or 70 C ambient temperature, we would look to take advantage of the latest in advanced thermal management design. What we're showcasing here is a two-phase immersion cooled system. We're taking advantage of the latent heat properties of the fluid in here to actually boil the fluid on the heat generating components of Rigel, pull that heat to the surface, and then recirculating it through the fluid condensing on a condensing coil. Extremely thermally efficient design, which allows you to operate at an ambient temperature far beyond what you could do through air cooling or even a direct-to-chip liquid cooling approach. We're showcasing our partner's product, TMG Core here, which is a small form factor version of this, and we're working with them to design an even smaller form factor box, more optimized for really edge deployments, namely aerospace or extreme terrestrial applications. We showed you the Rigel platform, which is a small form factor, rugged edge supercomputer. That brings us to this next product, the GASR, which is we call it the data center in the sky. Whereas Rigel had the 4GPU HGX backplane, the GASR has the 8GPU HGX backplane, and it also includes up to 16 NVMe drives. That's really the entire data center workflow or AI workflow in one rugged platform. The system has been mil standard qualified, passed through NVIDIA's tests, and it's ready to fly. One of the other key benefits of the GASR platform is its integration of the SXM form factor GPUs as opposed to the PCI Express form factor GPUs you might be more familiar with. The benefit of the SXM form factor GPUs is we have full NVLink mesh connectivity between each of the 8 GPUs. These GPUs, the SXM form factor, are also not as power limited as the PCIe form factor, meaning you'll get better performance both on peer-to-peer applications and non-peer-to-peer applications. They're also significantly more rugged for the platform, whereas the PCIe add-in card form factor, you have to stabilize the rear and the front of the add-in cards. The SXM form factor, since it's a chip-down design, allows for a much more rugged design, ready for edge applications. And that brings us to our 3U SDS, our rugged 3U short depth server. This is a server, so it integrates a motherboard, and we expanded out to 2 storage canisters that you see on the front here. Each of these canisters can support 8 NVMe drives, 8 of the latest NVMe drives for over 200 terabytes of storage per canister. The benefit of the workflow that we see a lot of customers use for this product is when they complete their mission, complete their road trip, and they captured all their sensor data on these canisters, they'll just simply take the canister out, very lightweight for 8 terabytes, over 200 terabytes could be in here, and they'll take this over to a corresponding ground station, insert it back in, can all be hot swapped, and now you've just transported safely and securely your 200 terabytes of data. The system is also expansion optimized. It has several PCI Express expansion slots in the back of the system. That's where you can incorporate GPUs for your AI workflows, FPGAs for direct sensor capture, or NIC cards for high-speed intercommunication. Really, you can get your entire AI workflow in this product. We also design our own system management software for this. This includes the One Stop UBMC, which you may have seen in some of our other videos or on our website. That allows complete system monitoring, fan control, all through a web interface. Now, if you're through USDS application, or say you have another server and you don't have enough PCI Express slots to accomplish all you need on the GPU side, the FPGA side, or the NIC side, we offer a 4U Pro expansion product where all you need to do is use a host slot, either in your SDS or other host, connect one of our host bus adapters, both on the target side and on the host side, and then you now have several slots for you to use for other add-in cards. You can scale it out with GPUs, which is what we're showing here. If you need to turn one slot into 8 GPUs, or if you want to optimize your upstream, you can have 2 uplinks or 4 uplinks to optimize your bandwidth to your GPUs. Same as the other product, we control the system monitoring in here, so you have full system monitoring control in this expansion unit. We've also ruggedized it. It's been mil standard qualified for multiple categories, so it's another edge-ready product as a companion to the SDS platform. Another companion product for the SDS is our Centauri platform, which we're showcasing here. This is great if you like the storage model, the canister model of the SDS, but you want a compact expansion platform to either give you more storage or to take the storage and put it more to a location more accessible in your vehicle. You can use the Centauri platform. This is a rugged flange mount system that incorporates one of the SDS canisters in a single removable frame. You can again hot swap this up for 200 terabytes in one canister and take advantage of the PCI Express Gen 4 design to get really maximum performance, maximum capacity in a rugged expansion platform. Another product to showcase is our FSA N4 platform. This is a similar workflow that we discussed with the 3U SDS, where the main design is 4 storage canisters along the top of the system that are each hot swappable, each individually removable. Each of these 4 canisters can contain over 50 terabytes of NVMe storage, latest generation. This system is mil standard 810 qualified for aerospace deployment. It's actually been flying for a number of years now. We have really customized power here for aerospace, as well as a motherboard that optimizes the PCI Express fan-out. There's several slots in the back where you can fill out with NIC cards or FPGA cards to get direct sensor input and communicate it out to the rest of your vehicle very quickly. And here we're showcasing 2 of our newest products, which you may have just seen a press release for issued on the first day of the show. These 2 products are for a 360-degree visualization application in an Army vehicle. Essentially, what these are, the bottom one is a PCI Express switch that takes in a lot of incoming video feeds. We bring the video feeds directly into the switch. This switch then, at very low latency, distributes the video feeds to this AGX and NVIDIA Orin based platforms scattered throughout the vehicle to basically in real time showcase the live video feeds to several different people within the vehicles.